Namaste everyone. This is another bedroom wardrobe which I showed you in earlier videos in the planning and designing robe making videos, and here you can see the loft portion. As I mentioned earlier, we have a slab here, it's cement slab, and which is covered with the wood and all, and in between one beading came here in between that we have given the dark color for that. And this is the additional layer which was given by carpenter to hide the rollers and all. Okay, so you can see here the mirror setup is done. Dark color we have given for this entire thing. And then, as I mentioned in the earlier, we didn't give any of the stripes here. We found this design is good, so we have kept it as is. So at the last, for 6 inches we have given dark color, then light color, then dark color, and the same is followed with for the another door. And these handles were installed. This again is a long handles which will cost you more, and then you can see the handles here. So this was a unique design, we liked it. It's kind of a shell shape, and we brought it in Mahadevapura in Bangalore. There is a showroom there. We found lot of designs, so we like this one. And if you look at the inside the wardrobe, here we are planning to use the hangers, that's why we have kept hangers here, and then one locker kind of a setup, then everything, all small compartments are used. Okay, this is another door which will have the all small storage boxes here, and then one one big shelf for the hangers, and below that there is a locker kind of a setup, few of them in between. So what we have done is we have attachable and detachable setup. We asked him to carpenter to do, so which he was done. It is fixed with this kind of stoppers. Okay, so this is the overall video which we made. This is the second bedroom wardrobe design what you are seeing. So hope you like this video, and it might be useful to get you an idea while you making the wardrobe. And we are putting a lot of effort to make these videos. Please subscribe and share this